Hey guys, today at Xtreme we have this Dodge Challenger that is getting a level 3 ceramic coating. With that being said, it's also getting a 2-step paint correction. And in order for us to do a good job and not burn the paint, we have to measure the thickness of the paint or the clear coat. And that's going to allow us to know how far or how deep we can go into the paint correction without burning or damaging the paint.
Inside my soul, that compass tells me where to go. Everything I touch turns to gold. It's automatic on the roll. Let's ignite this feeling, gotta let it out. Dancing on the ceiling, won't come down. How about that? Bring it on back.
guys, the challenge is finally done. We did a decontamination on the paint, and we did a 2-step paint correction using rotary machines and CarPro's polishes and compounds. We also applied 3 layers of ceramic coating using CarPro's D quart and C quart. We also made sure that all the glass were clean and ceramic coated. That means that the windshield, the side windows, the sunroof, and the backless were properly coated. And finally, we lifted up the car. We removed the wheels so we can properly coat the face and the barrel of